Man, I don't know what it is, but I cannot get any interest in Bart this year. And that's like the one lure that I care about catching fish on. Not really, but I mean, it is the lure that I enjoy to catch fish on the most. So, I do care a little bit. It's still a beautiful day out here though. Oh, carp, Ryan, carp, 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 carp.
Yes. Oh, fuck yes, Ryan. Dude, double whammy.
Dude, this is awesome.
Oh, yes.
I got it on video too, bro.
Yeah, I know. Fuck yeah, dude.
Oh, dude.
Here, I'm gonna keep this one in the water. I wanted to hook him. Yeah, I know. Okay.
All right, guys, we have a catfish on and a carp.
Are you gonna let him run?
Yeah, I'm just letting him run.
Right.
He's nowhere near done.
Okay. I'm just gonna bring this one in real quick.
All right, so Ryan's got his cat. It's a nice carp. There we go. Run, baby, run. Come on, you know you want to. Oh, never mind. Oh, man.
Oh, I can't get him in because he's... There we go. Oh, he almost went in. I can't get him in because of the line. There we go. There we go. See, he'll fit.
All right.